Okay, we are waking up to another chilly morning this morning. I got 27, well, almost 28 in the van here. Sun is up, so hopefully it'll start hitting the van, warming me up soon. I just fired up the heater, so that should start warming things up. Yeah, I'm starting to come to life here. I'll admit, it was quite chilly when I first got up this morning. I'm in the Dixie National Forest, which is right near the entrance of Bryce Canyon. Okay, things are warming up in here. We're at just about 49 degrees. Okay, that egg is done. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that slice of cheese right on there. Let that melt. I'll even leave the lid off. Just a simple little egg sandwich to get me going here. Get this egg out of there. Perfect, quick and easy. And that's that, just a simple little egg and bagel sandwich. Okay, finish this up, get dressed, and figure out what I'm going to do today. Well, good morning. We are waking up to a chilly morning this morning. The low was 18 when I got up this morning. It's only about 32 right now, and it's windy. The wind is what's really making it feel cold. So I'm going to break camp. I'm not even really sure what I'm going to do. There is the Ruby's Hotel Resort restaurant. Just a very close drive from here. So I'm going to go there, use the bathroom, try to warm up inside for a little bit, look at the map and see what I want to do. But yeah, just hanging out at camp today isn't going to work. It's just too cold for sitting around. So I'm going to see if I can get out, get the body moving. This has been a great spot though. It's probably the weather, but yeah, there's no one else camped out here. I'm like the only one. It is nice that the sun is out. If that wind would stop, it wouldn't be so bad just in the sun. But yeah, the temps dropped a little cooler than we're forecast when I originally planned on coming up here, but just making the best of it. So we're going to see what kind of trouble I can get into today. This is day 2 at Bryce Canyon. Today I'm doing the Peekaboo loop trail. It's about a 5-mile loop. Same deal, it's a big elevation gain on the way out, big drop down on the way in, but let's go see what it has to offer. It is a little chilly and windy today, so I brought a little extra clothing, but it should warm up once I start hiking. Okay, we're beginning our descent down here, and it is windy today. I feel like we're getting out of the wind a little bit as we drop down here, but yeah, it's chilly. I should have brought gloves. Starting out with some switchbacks, cutting down this side here, and along here. Looks like the trail winds along into this red rock. Beautiful. Wow, as soon as you drop down in here, you get a wonderful view of the amphitheater. Awesome. Okay, we are making our way around the Peekaboo Loop Trail, It is a mile down, pretty steep descent, and then a 3-mile loop, and then you got to go back up the mile. So it's going to be a good steep hike out of here for that last mile. This is what they're referring to as the Peekaboo, or Peekaboos. Not quite as windy down in the canyon. I've already stripped my knit cap and my base layer. So warming up a little bit. I think on the hike back up, and even on the loop, there's a little bit of up and down. But that last mile out is going to be super steep. Yeah, there's quite a bit of up and down, even on the loop here. Everyone I've passed by is huffing and puffing pretty good. As am I. I'll do a little climb here. Brings you right in here. So cool. There's a good section of switchbacks there. Then you get to go through a tunnel. Okay, I made it back to my loop point. That's 4 miles down. This is where I split off. So I went clockwise, and then it's saying we've got another mile back up to Bryce Point where I started. I don't know, this one's over, well, about 2.5 miles shorter than the hike I did yesterday. This one feels like more climbing. But it is absolutely stunning down here. So I'm just taking it slow. I got my trekking poles out. Helps pull me up, keep me stable. All right, let's finish this. Lookout point right in the center there. You can see a railing, people looking over there. All right, I made it. That was a push, that last section, and it is windy up here. I have to put my sweater back on. We are home sweet home. That was a good one. I'm feeling it. Time to get these boots off, relax.